You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly. This is a breed of chicken, a type of chicken named after a native people in North America, American natives. And there are different pronunciations, but by far the most common one is Wyandotte. If you want to learn more Native American names, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more, but the other alternative pronunciation, and the Merriam-Webster references it, is Wyandotte. Wyandotte, okay. So Wyandotte is also correct, but by far most people say it as Wyandotte. Wyandotte chicken. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.